This is Danny Gould with the Selling Silicon Valley Group. Welcome everyone to our exclusive virtual open house event for 181 Hudson Place, located here in the ultra contemporary Station 121 community in San Jose. Now, if you're watching this video, clearly because of COVID, we've had to adjust, adapt, and overcome to our circumstances. And in lieu of a traditional open house, what we're going to do today is I'm going to walk you through the home, very similar to where if you were to be seeing the home with me in person, and I'm going to give you as much detail as I can about the property, but ultimately the end goal is that if you like what you see here, that you come and you experience this home in person, because truly you owe it to yourself. This home shows so beautifully. It is one of the nicer homes that I've sold in the last 6 months or so, so definitely be sure to come out and welcome everyone to 181 Hudson Place. Come inside, let's take a look. Check out the Nest system here. Nest comes with the property. They have a full Nest Ring doorbell system here for the home. As you walk in, you'll see this really nice hardwood style flooring. Super modern. Everything about this home just screams luxury. It screams modern. Love the open concept that you're about to see. Now, J-Rod, as you come here, you'll see you have a half bath, right? Plus your garage here. Unlike many communities here in San Jose, this is not a tandem garage. It's side by side. I know a lot of you back home are gonna love that, the fact that it's not tandem. So, a little bit about this home. It was built in 2017. My owners are the original owners. What I see most people in this community use this space for is some sort of like office space, especially if you're already occupying the 3 bedrooms for people. So if you're using the 3 bedrooms as bedrooms, this is a phenomenal place to set up your home office, okay? Now, let's head on up. 3 total bedrooms. First bedroom's gonna be on the 2nd floor. The other 2 are gonna be on the 3rd level. Property, again, was built in 2017. Client purchased it in 2018 directly from the builder. You can see along with the Nest doorbell system, you also have Nest cooling and heating. The property is currently tenant occupied. This is the only room that we won't be able to see today due to the tenant occupation. But don't worry, everything here is, the tenants will be out of here prior to any buyers moving in. And so you don't have to worry about any sort of possession terms or anything like that. They'll be out by the end of this month, by the end of October. So there's a full bathroom here on the 3rd level. I mean, on the 2nd level, the only bathroom on the 2nd level, I should say, goes well with this bedroom. You're right. Come over here, my friend. We have a Calcutta style stone top in the kitchen. Super ultra modern, super ultra modern. Because here you have this beautiful refrigerator here, AKG refrigerator, Samsung refrigerator, and GE stainless steel microwave and oven. One of the things that really stands out to me about this particular floor plan is just how vaulted these ceilings are. When you're here in the main living space, you have these incredible, I don't even know how tall these are, but I'd have to imagine that these are over 20 feet tall. Just a remarkably open feeling and remarkably open floor plan. You come out here, you have this nice little balcony as well. Total square footage on this property is 1,739 square feet. Plenty of things to do out here. I'm sure that you could set up some chairs, chill out on your balcony. I know many of you back home are probably wondering how much is the HOA for this home. It's actually one of the lower priced HOAs in San Jose, especially for a townhome community. $205 per month. That just covers all exterior maintenance, roof, as well as the community playground. Okay. Again, this is another area that I see a lot of folks using as an office space. So you could definitely set this place up as an office as well, okay? But I predominantly see that first floor being used as an office space. I have the second bedroom here, full suite with the bathroom inside the bedroom. Again, this is tenant occupied. They will be out by the end of October. A couple things that I didn't mention before about this home. Number one, it has an August lock on the smart lock there at the front of the door, which is super convenient for anyone, especially if they're looking for remote access or if someone needs to access the property, like a realtor, without someone physically being home. We also, at the front of the home, which you won't be able to see today, there is a Next garage door opener, which is an app-based garage door opener. Again, you don't need a remote or anything, it's just all based off of your phone. This here is the master bedroom. We have walk-in closets here. Well, not really super walk-in, but you get the picture, right? Close enough. And then another closet as well, so his and hers closets. And then, but a nice natural lighting coming from the outside as well. And then finally, we also have the master bathroom. I'll get out of your way here, J-Rod. J-Rod, show them, especially, I love this counter here that's in all of the bathrooms. It's a very modern cabinetry as well. There's so much to do here, by the way, everyone, around Station 121. This is a newer development here in San Jose, widely considered one of the new it spots here in San Jose. It's the name of this new development here, this whole new development is called the Gould Transit Village. And the Gould Transit Village, that includes all of these housing developments around here, Avenue 1, the new Urban Oak by Pulte, Station 121, lots of apartments as well. We have tons of dining and shopping options around us. The Village Oaks Shopping Center has a Safeway, they have a Target, there's a Starbucks, there's a Panera, there's a Chipotle, there's a Five Guys, there's a Poke Bowl, my personal favorite, there's a Wingstop. I mean, honestly, there's food there for every single day of the week. Panda Express, there's a sushi place. There's actually another sushi place that I really love. It's called Niji Sushi, and it's down on Silver Creek Road, which is it's a 5-minute drive, it really is. And not only that, but you could drive 10 minutes away, no, less than that, 7 minutes away to the nearest Aki's. And if you guys know me, you know that I love Aki's, especially the swirls, super delicious. And also close by, we can't forget In-N-Out, right next to the Lowe's here as well. And then finally we have Ramick Park, and especially during COVID, we've seen a huge increase in people going to the park. And so definitely there are a lot of options for people, very dog-friendly area as well. So there's so many options for people to really just live and enjoy their lives here, and just really, I can't think of a better place for any family to plant some roots here in Silicon Valley.